video, I'm going to show you 3 effective ways to remove write protection from a USB pen drive. If you've encountered the disk is write protected error, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. Method 1. Check for physical write protection switch. Method 1 is the simplest. Check for a physical write protection switch on your USB drive. Some USB drives have a tiny switch that enables or disables write protection. Locate the switch on the side of your USB drive. If it's in the lock position, slide it to the unlock position. Now insert your USB drive back into your computer and check if the write protection error is resolved. If your USB drive doesn't have a physical switch, don't worry, let's move on to next method. Method 2 involves using the Diskpart command in Windows. Follow the steps. First, open command prompt as an administrator. You can do this by typing CMD in the search bar, right-clicking on command prompt and selecting Run as administrator. In the command prompt, type Diskpart and press enter. Next, type list disk and press enter to see all the connected drives. Identify your USB drive from the list. Usually it's one with the capacity matching your USB. Type select disk X, replacing X with the number of your USB drive and pressing enter. Now type attributes disk clear read only and press enter. Finally, type exit to close Diskpart and then close the command prompt. Your USB drive should now be free of write protection. If not, we have one more method to try. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you didn't, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.